Hi Year 7, I'm back. So the next video is to add the mouth to where the nose goes. Now this is a slightly different photo, and can you see that you can see my nostrils a little bit more in this one? But I'm going to use the same nose as I used last time. Let me just show you the photo in case you can't remember. So that's the photo I drew from last time. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just add the mouth there. So the angle's slightly different. So when I draw mouths, what I will do is, can you see the distance between there and there? You need to look at that. So it's about here. I'm just going to put that Cupid's bow in, which is this bit here. So it's directly under the middle of the nose. That bow starts about there. Okay. All right. So everybody's got a different shaped mouth. Now, I'm going to draw this middle line first, and it's not a straight line. It's actually, if you look at it, it comes in, then it comes up like that. So what I'm going to do is about here, because I've got quite a thin top lip, and it comes up, and then that one comes up like that. Maybe that might be quite, I'll check that in a bit. So I've got my middle line, which I'm going to darken because it's actually quite a dark line so you can see it properly. So it sort of does that. And then that one is like that. I hope you can see that okay. So that's the bit where my mouth opens. Then I've got quite a thin top lip, so maybe it's thinner than that. Okay, and then it comes up about here, and I can tell where it comes up. It comes up sort of like that. And then it comes up here, the same. So it's going to be roughly the same on both sides. And then the bottom lip is a bit bigger. Doesn't look very symmetrical, my mouth, does it? Okay, like that. And then all we do is we take it up like that and like that. And then again, it's all about your shading. So can you see that my top lip is a lot darker than my bottom lip because there's a highlight? So all I'm going to do again is I'm going to shade it. So I'm going to speed this bit of the film up. So it goes slightly darker at the edges, there and there. Okay, and then there are a few little lines which I could put in, some detail. Can you see that underneath is darker as well? So that helps the lip to look like it's juts out a bit. So you want to shade that little bit there. And then you also want to shade this bit here, this sort of like little trough under the, there we go. So I'd leave it at that, I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so there you go, facial features. And then so if you have a go at your own and we'll see how you get on.